Hello all. This video will show you how to use aerial photography at UC Davis's Shields map collection. This video will cover the uses of aerial photography, our example mission for this video, the location and coverage of the collection, how the collection is cataloged for searching, and how to find individual aerial photographs. Aerial photographs are taken from the sky by anything from planes, air balloons, and even kites. The UC Davis's aerial photograph collection consists of plane-based photographs. Aerial photographs have many uses. For example, aerial photographs can be used for environmental studies, archaeology, legal disputes, land use planning, and many, many more. Aerial photographs are particularly useful as they give us the ability to see changes over time. In order to show you how to use the Map Room's aerial photography collection, our example mission will target the iconic UC Davis water tower. Using the aerial photographs, we will be able to determine a range of years that the water tower may have been constructed. The aerial photographs are housed in the map collection at the UC Davis's Shields Library. The map collection is located in the basement. Just take a right from the elevators or at the bottom of the main staircase. The collection is open Monday through Friday, 1 to 5 p.m. From the entrance of the map collection, the aerial photographs are located in the back right of the room, past the bathrooms and the Sanborn maps. For our mission, we will start by using the aerial photography guide that is located within the blue binder on top of the aerial map cabinets. The UC Davis collection primarily revolves around the Central Valley. This map shows the aerial coverage map for the UC campuses plus Stanford. For example, if you needed an aerial photograph for Napa Valley, the yellow indicates that UC Berkeley has that aerial collection. The aerial collection is cataloged by the Library of Congress classification system. The call number indicates the map's subject and coverage. For instance, aerial photographs for the city of Davis will be located under G4364, and Yolo County maps will be under G4363. This is only the first part of the map call number. We can narrow down our maps further by continuing to use the aerial photography guide. The guide is organized by California County using the multicolored tags as seen on the left. Turning to Yolo County, we can see that the county has multiple years of coverage with the call number of G4363 Y6A4 plus the year. In addition, the collection has 3 aerial photographs with the city of Davis as the coverage area, with the call number of G4364 D3A4 and plus the year. These call numbers allow us to identify which drawer holds the map we need. Note in the picture to the right that there are indices and photo sets. The collection is arranged by indices and then by photo sets. Indices are located in the dark gray flat map cabinets. Behind the flat map cabinets are lighter filing cabinets that hold the photograph sets. It is in the photo set cabinets that you will find individual photographs. A map index is an aerial photo mosaic that strings together many overlapping individual aerial photographs, as you can see in the larger photo here. A photo mosaic map index is often divided into sections or sheets that divides an area into a more manageable and searchable size. For example, located at the bottom left side of this 1937 Yolo County photo mosaic, you can see that this photo mosaic is section 7 of Yolo County. Incidentally, the correct location for finding the location of the iconic Davis Water Tower. After we have the right sheet for the county, we can now take a closer look and find the appropriate photo or photos for our needs. Looking closely at the 1964 Yolo County photo mosaic, we can see individual photographs' call number for the area we are researching. This call number may seem like a jumble of letters and numbers, however they have a purpose. ABB identifies the photo to be in Yolo County. 3EE indicates the flight number, and 104 indicates the photograph number. After consulting the aerial photography guide and the photo mosaic, we have the necessary information to search the photo sets. We'll need the 1937 and 1964 Yolo County maps, and the Davis City map of 1957. The red indicates individual photos we found using the photo mosaic indices. On this slide, the original photo is outlined in green. Outlined in yellow is the zoomed section of the map. The blue box indicates the relative location of the modern-day tower. In the zoomed photo, we can see that the tower has not been built. The area seems to be primarily farmland. This 1957 photo shows that the farmland has been developed. However, there is no sign of the modern-day water tower. Notice that the city seems to be smaller in this photograph than in previous pictures. The reason behind this is the photo scale. On the top of the green outlined photograph, you can see 1:24,000. That signifies that for every 1 unit of measure, it is 24,000 times that measure in real life. The other two county photographs in this presentation have a smaller scale, at 1 to 20,000, making their cities seem larger. In this 1964 photo, you can see the familiar buildings from the 1957 photo. Located just slightly south of the buildings, we have the presence of the water tower. You can see the distinct white tower and its dark shadow. In this slide, you can see the emergence of the buildings and the water tower within the zoomed area. This is the power of aerial photographs, a record of change over time. In conclusion, aerial photographs have multiple uses. As you have seen, they can show how areas have changed over time. Imagine using a series of aerial photographs for surveying barrier island erosion or monitoring the meandering of a river. These uses can be extremely important. Maps at UC Davis are cataloged by subject and coverage. You can consult the aerial photography guide in the map room in order to navigate the collection. In addition, most of the collection's maps, including aerial photographs, are cataloged on the university's online catalog. The aerial collection is divided into two sections: indices and photo sets. Indices allow you to narrow your search from a general area down to individual photos located in the photo sets. Flight numbers provide you county, flight number, and photograph number information for the photographs. We figured out that the iconic Davis Water Tower was built between 1957 and 1964. If you ever need help using the aerial photograph collection or any other map collection within the map department, feel free to ask for help from the knowledgeable map room staff located on the left after entering the map room. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck in your research.